today we're actually going to be doing some shooting.
Fully auto, baby.
And you might be wondering what's happening with this vacuum back here. See if we can't make it into a pocket-sized pile of rubble.
And these are...
So we're gonna try the Ruger 12 gauge over under now. I told you one chamber fires and one doesn't. So what I want to find out today is which one fires and which doesn't. So we're gonna load both. And when we fire, it's gonna go click on one and boom on the other. It's the top.
Top works.
Because now it should click, just click. Yep, so we got nothing on the bottom. So it's the top barrel that fires and the bottom that doesn't.
I love
cool.
that.
That's good to know. So Bill's scared of shooting the 3/4.
I did not say that.
I said I would shoot one if he would shoot one.
Just for the record, that stock crunches your shoulder.
Yeah, it absolutely destroys your shoulder. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
How'd that feel?
Really nice. Your turn.
All right.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I felt that. Woo! That's good. That's how you stay live longer. So we're gonna be loading up the replica of the 1851 Colt Revolver. Black powder, muzzle loader. But essentially what you got going, you have your three parts. You have your cap, which is a little percussion cap. You have your black powder. This is just pistol grade black powder. And your 44 caliber lead ball. That's your projectile. It's recommended you use some grease. 1, to keep the powder dry, and 2, to keep it from chain firing. So the first thing you need to do is you need to load in your powder. Go ahead and pour down into the chamber. I feel like I'm mixing nitroglycerin or something. It's good. 44 caliber ball sits right on top of the chamber, and that rotates down underneath the ram. The ram just goes and pushes the ball into the chamber. So now that's loaded. So now we have 6 loaded chambers. For each of those chambers, you want to cover the ends of the chambers with grease, just so that it doesn't chain fire.
Chain fire would be bad, right?
Chain fire would be bad. Chain fire means that essentially you have a machine gun, which is not legal. You have a fully auto.
If you want that in California, you got to buy a BB gun.
Right.
And I highly recommend it. Yeah, wipe it on the old pants.
Off somewhere.
Yeah, gotcha.
So this is still harmless because we don't have the percussion caps on the nipples. So what we're doing now is fully loading the gun. So you can see we have a little cutout right here. That's where the percussion cap is going to be going on to the nipple, and that is now loaded. They usually say a cowboy load in a revolver is 5 chambers loaded, 1 unloaded, and that's so you can set your hammer down on an unloaded chamber. What's cool about this is that between each of the loaded chambers, it has a little spot so that you can set down your hammer in between chambers.
We're all about safety here.
All about safety. Safety first, kids. Range is hot. There it is. Always want to make sure your percussion cap's on good. I don't know where that one hit. It's pretty cool, huh?
That is cool. Pretty accurate?
Yep. Okay, that's a misfire. So I don't know if you saw, we had a misfire. What did it do, Bill?
It went...
There it is. Bill says it's time. We're going to take this vacuum out of the equation. What are we going to shoot it with, Bill?
A SOCOM.
And?
458.
And
some shotguns. Maybe?
And?
On the blackout?
Yeah, just about anything that we have over there we're going to shoot it with.
That's some punch. Oh, safety.
Ooh. Oof.
That was nice.
It makes me smile.
Yeah, I know. $2 plus a shot. Oh!
That's unfortunate.
Stolen.
Oh, it's in so many pieces. So here's your first couple of shots.
Right through.
There's your entrance points.
Oh, it was still full too.
Yeah, it's still full of dust. So there's where your bullets came out. Everything's kind of broken on this, Bill.
Yeah,
Look
but
at
it's still like pretty intact.
It's still pretty intact. We're gonna do something about that. Look,
Yeah,
there's one right
sure.
there.
Oh yeah.
There's definitely one there and there. You want to get a box and we'll put this thing back up?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get that thing back up there. I think that'll still prop in place. Oh yeah, so that's still good there. Let's try and reconstruct it. It's
Hey, there you go.
It's alive.
Safety. Oh. Is it out? No, it's good. All right.
No. Coming up to the vacuum, it's a pretty grim sight.
Oh, it's still pretty intact.
It's still too intact for me. I wanted to get a whole bunch of hits on the ball. I did. I definitely got that.
Right through it.
And I definitely got that hit on the handle. But yeah, this thing's done too much injustice. We definitely have to finish it off. Let's set it up. Yeah, Bill's holding his Mossberg. That should do it. Let's see.
Oh, I gotta load this one.
Misfire?
No, I'm done.
Oh, you're done.
Left a little bit for you.
Well, we guessed that the shotguns were going to kind of just disintegrate it. I think we were probably right. Yeah, there's almost nothing left of this thing, but what's left, we definitely don't want to be there, so. That's what birdshot does to a Dyson.
Look, it didn't penetrate it, actually.
It didn't penetrate it.
Well, we learned today, if someone shoots you with the buckshot, hold your Dyson up in front of you.
Yeah, the Dyson will stop the birdshot.
But not so much for AR rounds.
Not so much for AR rounds. And also, we are not the authority on the subject.
Yes,
so
true.
Please don't try it and then message me and say, hey,
But
you need to pay my medical bills. I can hear the BBs falling out. I was getting peppered with so much shrapnel over there. They're just hitting that Dyson and falling off, so we need to get a little more aggressive with it. All right,
Smokes.
let's try some double-aught buckshot out of the Mossberg. So we're shooting it with the double-aught buck. You can see those are significantly bigger than the birdshot.
Just a tad.
Just a tad bigger.
Get that.
Yeah, there it is.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, Bill,
Yo.
there's not a lot left. I'll set something up for you. There we go. And we'll put this right here just for good measure. All right, Bill, on your ready. Oh. I'm going to make a montage of the clicks. Okay, that's a misfire.
Oh, safety. Oh! Oh. Oh!
Safety.
Oh.
A click montage.
I thought I had one in the chamber. I'm sorry. Oh, hi.
Oh, buddy.
I can't get it.
Ooh, that was close. Ooh.
That's it.
That's it. Well,
Still one piece.
short of burning it, I think that's as good as we're going to get.
That shield is still staring at me.
You want to move it real close?
I think we're going to have to point blank it.
So Bill's pissed at this this Captain America shield looking thing. It's half of the ball, so we're gonna try and make that no more.
I'm gonna point blank it. I'm gonna single hand it.
Oh my goodness. Ooh.
It.
You definitely cracked it. I think it needs one more.
You got one more? Oh,
Get it one from the side. It'll go through the whole of it. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's about as busted as it's going to get. It had a little filter in there.
Wow, maybe that's what I need to clean. I didn't know there was a filter in there.
Maybe it didn't work that bad after all.
Huh. Interesting.
We're not going to worry about that now. Yeah. Hey, look at that. That's pretty cool.
Might be hot. Oh.
It's not very hot.
Wow.
There's another one right there. So the Dyson does stop. No, it doesn't. Look at this thing.
The dirt stopped it.
The dirt stopped it. They're all sitting right there. So I almost forgot that I brought this entire box of old coffee mugs. So what we're going to do, we don't have a whole lot of time left, is we're going to line them up and we're going to do some competitive target shooting. Oh. See how many we could hit.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go line them up. We're going to load 8 up in the 22 because there's 17 cups over there. We'll see if we can each go 8 for 8. That should be 8.
I didn't count.
I didn't count. Let's call that 8.
1. Piece of cake.
I'm going high.
2. 3. Did you get 2 with that one? No. Oh, it went through. I lost count. 4. 5.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
That's all right. I'll take care of those.
Oh! The video on that. Damn, that's gotta be 8.
That's it.
That's no pressure.
Oh, that's already.
I wasn't ready. The trigger's like a hair trigger.
Yeah. There's one. There's 2.
Oh, it's plastic?
Yeah.
It's not as
metal.
Spectacular as the others.
3. I love when those blow up.
The first one I count because it's hair trigger. I didn't know it.
4. Yeah, I'll count the first one. Oh, buddy.
It's too low. I got one left.
I'm not counting.
Yeah,
it's like pool. Right? You have to pick your shots.
But I only missed one, right? Well,
there's 3 mugs on the ground. All right.
Yeah. But I only missed one.
Hey, Billy.
What's up?
Yes.
Hey.
Are you shooting coffee mugs?
Yes. Don't check your cupboards.
You wanted to get rid of some, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you see the Dyson?
Which one? Oh my God.
Yeah, we destroyed the Dyson.
Which coffee mugs are you shooting?
All of them.
Yeah, you're getting new coffee mugs.
Surprise!
Surprise.
He brought them.
They're my coffee mugs.
Yeah.
We got new coffee mugs.
Oh, cool. Good.
Yeah.
I'm still going to finish those off. Hold on a second.
She thought we broke her coffee mugs and she was mad.
You think she really would have thought?
I think she did for a second. Yeah.
Those.
So Bill's upset that he lost, and he went ahead and got his blackout. We had a couple more sodas too, so we're just gonna blow those things away real quick.
I'll save one for you.
That was good. Do it again. Yeah, good stuff. Whoa!
That was beautiful.
That was a good one.
Oh, nice.
I don't have any extra coffee mugs.
Sorry.
I have 2, exactly 2 now. One for me, one for the eye protection I'm not wearing.
Oh.
That was a mistake.
Bad boy.
Bad. Very bad.
We're all about safety here.
All about safety. Safety first, kids. So we're just about done shooting here for the day. We got to get the rake out now.
We?
I guess I did bring everything that needs to be raked up. So that's what's left of the vacuum. Not a whole lot. And then just the wreckage of a wet coffee mug.
It smells like orange soda.
It was orange soda, and I kind of want orange soda.
Yeah, I know. It sounds really good right now.
There's a little bit left in here. I'm not going to drink that. All right. So that's about it. I'm going to get the rake, get this cleaned up, and head back to the house. Bill, it's been real. I'm heading out.
Oh.
Appreciate you having us out.
All right.
See ya. So tonight's the Rotary Crab Feed. The Rotary puts on a couple different events every year. The Cajun Fest and the Crab Feed. They're both big banquet dinners. This one you get all-you-can-eat crab. There's raffle and auction items. And I scored us a couple of tickets. So I have to get home, take a quick shower, and then my wife and I are going to head on over to that. Alright guys, we did a super quick turnaround. Got done shooting later than I wanted to, but got home just in time to take a quick shower, throw on some better jeans. The wife got home. This is my wife, Jess. She's awesome. And so now we're heading off to the crab feed. Might take a couple short videos there, not sure. But yep, that's what we're doing. And now we're heading back to the house because I forgot the tickets. I always leave for events without the tickets to them. And then I got in the truck and got almost all the way up to the main road and said, oh, tickets. There she is. You're super fast.
Yeah, no.
What's going on? What's going on? Huh? Get up there. All right, guys, we made it home. It was a good night. Lots of crab. It was too much noise in there. I didn't record a whole lot, but it was a good time. Now we're home, getting ready for bed. Hanging out with this one. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to the Backwoods broadcast. It's been real. If you like what you see, leave a like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything you want to see or anything you like, let me know down in the comments. And I will see you next time. It's good.
This is going to take a long time.
Yeah, I'm going to do one and then we'll shut that off.
Oh, thank goodness.
You're going to want to be in half cock there so that you can turn it. So
I'm
then,
usually in a half cock.
So then that spins right around underneath the ram. You can see the ram is here. And you can see that goes down and presses on the ball.
This is very phallic. Ram, shaft, ball.
I'm going to have to do that again now without you saying
sorry.
that.
Can you edit that in post? That's right, family friendly. I'm sorry. Can you beep that? I couldn't help it.
I know you
I'm a
can.
man.
Oh, and I'm not?
No comment. All right.
All I need is that last part. You can say whatever you want until I get the ball
Blah,
out.
blah, blah. Fudge. All right.
All right.